Hi guys! So, we went to Biwako Valley and we rode a cable car halfway up to the mountain. Syempre, to experience the snow. Guys, super nice talaga ng view dito. Sobrang nakaka-overwhelm. And look, the snow is light falling. Ayan, arte-arte muna. And lakad-lakad. Super nice, guys. Ang ganda dito. Grabe. Tignan nyo, guys. Look at my husband. He's having so much fun walking in the snow, I think. Ayan, lakad-lakad muna kami. And guys, meron din pala dito yung sled, yung pwede kang mag-slide sa snow. Meron siyang fee pagka weekend ng 500 yen. Pero pagka weekday, free use siya, I think. Oh, ayan, nag-inarte muna ako, syempre, for the IG. And yan, guys, meron din pala dito mga restaurants. So, you can have lunch there. And, it's kind of pricey, pero carry lang kasi nasa Japan naman kayo. And guys, ang saya dyan kasi super nag-enjoy si Habi. Free yan, unlimited beer yan. Pero yung beer nila is super light lang, hindi nakakalasing. And ayan, finally guys, nag-snow na. Answered prayer talaga yan. Na talagang pinag-pray talaga namin na mag-snow. Pero hindi namin in-expect na ganyan talaga yung lakas ng snow niya. Super nag-enjoy kami. Ayan o, look at guys. We had so much fun there. Ayan. So, feeling bata again. Saya-saya dyan. So, pwede nyo i-try yan guys. Super dali lang from Osaka. And may heater din sila. Yan. Bye!